Hey guys, so today I want to show you how to start Windows 11 in safe mode. Now there are two ways to do this. One is if you are able to get into Windows 11 normal mode, like I am here, you can restart Windows 11 into safe mode. If you are not able to get into Windows 11, then there is a way to force Windows 11 to boot into safe mode during startup. And I'm going to show you both of those today. So the first thing I'm going to show you is if you are able to get into Windows 11, is how to restart Windows 11 into safe mode. And the way you do that is first you click the Start menu, and then you click the power button icon, and while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard, you click Restart. Now after doing that, it's going to put you into this Windows 11 boot menu. And in here, you're going to click Troubleshoot. And then you're going to click Advanced Options. Under here, you're going to click Startup Settings, and then you're going to click Restart. After doing that, you're going to be put into this Startup Settings menu. And in here, you can choose Option 4 for Enable Safe Mode or Option 5 to Enable Safe Mode with Networking. And I'm going to choose 5. And now Windows 11 is in safe mode. If you want to get back to Windows 11 normal mode, you simply click the Start menu and click the power button icon and choose Restart. So now I'm going to show you how to boot into Windows 11 safe mode if you're having trouble getting into Windows 11 altogether. And this is how you do that. Okay, with the computer off, you power it on, and then once you see the Windows logo, you use the physical power button or reset button on the computer to power it off. You may have to hold the power button in on the computer to force it to power off. And then you power it back on again. Once you see the Windows logo for the second time, you use the physical power button or the physical reset button on the computer to power it off, and then power it back on again. And now it's going to attempt an automatic repair because it thinks the computer is having startup problems. And once you see this menu, you're going to choose Advanced Options. And then you're going to select Troubleshoot and Advanced Options and Startup Settings. And then you're going to click Restart. And now you can choose Option 4 to enable safe mode or Option 5 to enable safe mode with networking. And I'm going to choose 5. And now we're in Windows 11 safe mode. And after you've ran your repairs and you're ready to go back into Windows 11 normal mode, you simply click the Start menu, click the power button icon, and select Restart. Alright, so that concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified next time I post a video. Thanks for watching.